Good evening to the participants, the aspirants of the JCJ 2023, both Andhra Pradesh as well as the state of Telangana. Welcome to my virtual class. And today that I am going to deal that which I already posted to you, that is the Criminal Rules of Practice 1990. With this, that I would like to continue and share my file and stop my video. Yes, be ready to shoot. And before that, you should tell me that what I posted on the screen, so that you are with me and I am with you. Both are traveling the same boat, sailing the same boat to reach to the destination. Yes, participants, anyone can unmute and read what I posted on the screen. Participants, I posted on the screen the Criminal Rules of Practice and Circular Order 1990. This is the one which I posted. Okay, now without wasting the time, let me go for our shooting. That is called bombarding, or you can say, you can pick up the right option among the A, B, C, D, 4 multiple choice questions. Yes, be ready. And today is the Criminal Rules of Practice 1990, and the screening test for the Telangana is on 23rd April 2023. Andhra Pradesh screening test is on 24th April 2023. This is again I am reminding you, and today is the 16th day, and still we do have 4 days plus 3 days, roughly 1 week periods are left. Okay, now first question. Rule 1, short title. Which is the exact or the correct statement or title? A. These rules may be named the Criminal Rules of Practice and Circular Order 1990. B. The rules may be called the Criminal Rules of Practice and Circular Orders 1990. C. These rules may be termed the Criminal Rules of Practice and Circular Orders 1990. D. The rules may be called the Criminal Rules of Practice and Circular Orders of 1990. Among the A, B, C, D, which one is the correct and exact wordings? That's, yes, shoot among the A, B, C, D. Participants, the right answer is C. C for the cat. C is the right answer. These rules may be, no, called, not C. It is the, yeah. I will show you here what is called. It is not the C, because here I have given the, oh, where is the, I thought I already posted it. Okay, now I will show you that Criminal Rules of Practice, what exactly they called. I am opening it, still it's buffering. The Criminal Rules of Practice 1990, the Bear Act, which I am going to open it so that it will be known to you that which is the right answer. Yeah, it is opening, still it takes time to open. But I say open. Yeah, I say open. This is, yeah. Here you can see short title, that how it can be given. These rules may be called the Criminal Rules of Practice and Circular. The rules may be called, so that is maybe called is the right answer. And here which is called, may be called here. See, this is called and this is called, but this is not the right, this is the right answer. That means B is the right answer. Is it clear? B is the right answer. So, that is number first question. Now then let us go to the second question, whereas it is a expedient to amend, the consolidate and bring up to date the criminal rules of practice and orders 1966 in accordance with the new codes of the criminal procedure 1973 and important therein the orders, notifications and administrative instruction issued from time to time by the government and the High Court. Now, therefore, in the exercise of the powers conferred by dash of the Constitution of India. Article 227, B. Article 227 capital A, C. Article 228, D. Article 228 capital B. Which was the appropriate answer for this question? The second question. The second question, the right answer is Article 227 capital A is the right answer for the second question. Now let us go to the third question. Yes, in these rules, unless the content otherwise requires, the Constitution of India and dash of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and of all other powers hereunto enabling with the previous approval of the Governor of TS and the High Court of the TS hereby makes the following rules and orders for the guidance of the criminal courts in the state. Yeah, welcome Lavanya and welcome Srinivas. Option A, Section 475. Option B, Section 476. Option C, Section 477. Option D, Section 478. These are the four options among the...
C, 477, sir.
Yes, it is the 477 is the right answer for the question, third question. Yes, now, yes, fourth question. How many forms are there under this act? A, 8 forms. B, 9 forms. C, 10 forms. Oh, see, I repeated. Now I can change to the D. Yes, how many forms are there? Under this act, what is criminal?
D11 forms.
Yes?
Yes. D11 forms.
C, there is no 11 forms. C is a 10. And D is the 11. You are wrong. It is having only 8 forms. It is having only 8 forms. Do you know what is meant by forms? It is there. So mismatch the following. Here, Srinivas, when you want to speak at the time, you can unmute it. When you don't want to speak, you mute it because the problem still it is not rectified. Okay, mismatch the following. 1, form number 3, 2, form number 5, 3, form number 6, 4, form number 7. Here in the part B, A, register miscellaneous and maintenance cases received. B, register of the sessions cases entertained. And C, register of application under section 1133 of the Indian Railway Act. D, criminal register. Number 7, register of the results of the inquiries and trials. These are the under the part B. See, this is the part A, the first one, and this is the part. Sir, you are not written. Okay, not written. Now I am writing. Part A. 4, sir. Part A here, and let me finish it. Then you can say give the answer. Part B, and here the option is A 1 plus 2, B 2 plus 3, C 2 plus 3. Mismatch I said. D 1 plus 4. Which is the mismatch?
1 plus 4, D.
WRONG. Second option.
A1 plus 2.
A1 plus 2 is the right answer because I changed only the thing. So 1 plus 2 is the right answer. Now, next sixth question. Calendar and judgment are mentioned under which form number under this act? A, form number 70, B, form number 71, C, form number 72, D, form number 73.
C, forms in 72.
Yes, you are right. I appreciate. Did you gone through the entire act?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why you can able to give. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay, now let us see this case law. Yes, Sri Sharma, advocate, relies on the section 369 of the Criminal Procedure Code and seeks to construe this section as a meaning that the High Court has less power than the other courts. He contends that High Court had less power than a subordinate court under the Criminal Procedure Code. This contention, even if true, as regards the section 369 CRPC, would not in any way affect the question of the rule 184 and sub-rule 2 of the criminal rules of practice. I find that the contention of the Sri Sharma regarding, I means here the judge, regarding the rule 184.2 is untenable, and the rule 184.2 is a valid, was decided by the Supreme Court of India in the case of Dash. A. Riots of the Garbando versus Javindari of Parlaki Medi, and B. S. Sheshagiri Rao versus Unknown, C. Surendra Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh, D. R.M. Sheshadri versus Province of Madras.
C. Surendra Singh versus State of UP.
WRNG.
D, sir, R.M. Sheshadri versus Province of Madras.
The right answer is B. B for Bombay. Yes, Sheshagiri Rao versus Unknown. Srinivas, you mute it immediately because I am getting the resound. And the 8th question. Anyone can unmute and read the 8th question?
Identification parade is given under which rule of CRPC? A.
Not CRPC, Criminal Rules of Practice.
C. Rule 34, D. Rule 35. Rule 35.
Answer is
D.
WRONG.
C. Rule 34.
Rule 34 is the right answer. Identification parade is given in the rule. Now next is, I think this I asked repeated, I believe, because in the last time I asked it is. You please check my last time video also. Because I combined both civil procedure and criminal procedure. Both I combined. 9th question. Which rule says about the dying declaration under the criminal rules of practice? A. Rule 30. B. Rule 31. C. Rule 32. D. Rule 33.
D. Rule 33.
Yes, it is a Rule 33. Even a confession also. Okay, now let us see that what I said about the confession.
Section 32.
Yes, now let us see the 10th question. Under the criminal rules of practice, affidavit runs from which rule, or we should say rule, not these are called sections. Because in the earlier, even myself also don't know whether I should say section or rule. But I found it, we should not say suppose section, we should say rule. Yeah, rule to which section? A. Rule 38 to 50. B. Rule 39 to 50. Rule 38 to 51. D. Rule 39 to 52.
D. Rule 39 to 52.
WRNG.
39 to 50. B.
The right answer is Rule 38 to 50. Yes, now the 11th question. In Dash, a single judge of the court has detailed the general direction to be followed by High Court and the criminal courts while filing the criminal proceedings. In paragraph 34 of the judgment in the defendant's case, the learned judge gave the following directions, in which case slide is A. State of Kerala versus Vishnu. B. Vishnu versus State of Kerala. C. State of Kerala versus Vishnu Sharma. And D. I forgot to make the D. Yes, okay. Now we can choose from the ABCD.
State of Kerala versus Vishnu Sharma.
The answer is yes. State of Kerala versus Vishnu Sharma is the right answer among these options which I made over here. Because we have to make the close answers. Otherwise, it is easy to give the answer to you unless until you read the entire case law or somewhere you read it. Yes, now the right answer is State of Kerala versus Vishnu is the right answer. Yes, now the 12th question. official witnesses is mentioned from which rule to which rule under the Criminal Rules of Practice 1990. Zawadi 50 rupees, Indian rupees. A. Rule 240 to 245. B. Rules 241 to 245. C. Rules 240 to 246. D. Rules 240 to 246.
240 to 245A.
Yes, you are entitled for the 50 rupees. It's the rule 240 to 245 is the right answer. Yes, I believe you're a lucky person. You got the 3 times award. You had trick. Okay, now 30 question. How many form numbers are there under this act? A. 79, B. 80, C. 81, D. 82.
A. 79.
A. 79 is the right answer. And now 14th question. Under Rule 37 of the Criminal Rules of Practice and Circular Orders 1990, by raising just a sufficient ground for exemption of personal appearance till the 10th October 2022, Criminal Rules of Practice Rule 37, once one accused may be permitted to represent other, it is stated in any one of the case law. A. Abdul Rahman Patni and other versus State of UP and another. B. Raunak Srivastava versus State of UP. C. Bahani Bhushan Potu versus State of Telangana. D. M. Muniandi versus State of Tamil Nadu.
A. Abdul Rahman Patri and others for State of UP.
WRANG. Second option.
Sir, C, I think Pani Bhushan.
Yes. Pani Bhushan Potu versus State of Telangana is the right answer. The C is the right answer. Pani Bhushan Potu versus State of Telangana is the right answer. I appreciate. I did not give the Zawadi. Actually, I was supposed to give the Zawadi, but I did not declare it. Okay, 15th question. ROC number 13, Vargul SO 88, where it is expedient to amend, consolidate and bring up to the date of the Criminal Rule of Practice and Orders dash in accordance with the new Code of the Criminal Procedure 1973 and incorporate therein the orders, notifications and administrative instructions issued from time to time by the government and the High Court. A. 1966, B. 1967, C. 1968, D. 1969.
B. 1967, sir.
B. 1967.
WRANG. Second option.
C. 1968.
WRANG. The right answer is A. 1966. America A. 1966. Now, match the following chapter part A and the explanation or the title from the part B among the following. A. 1. Chapter 2, 2. Chapter 3, 3. Chapter 4, 4. Chapter 5. A. General rules applicable to trials. B. Courts of sessions. Courts of, is it courts of section or session? What is the right wording? No, courts of section.
Court of section, sir. Section, yes. Session. Online, it is given wrong, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, now the process of the summons and the warrants and D is the investigation. Which is the right answer?
4 is wrong answer.
Here A, no, I say match the following. A, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. B, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. C, 2A, 2B, 3C, 4D. D, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Match the following.
B, sir.
WRONG. No, B is right.
A, sorry, sir. A.
B, no, B is right. Chapter 2, process of summons and warrants. Chapter 3, investigations. Chapter 4, general rules applicable to the trials. And chapter 6 is sessions. Yes. Now, the question is, let me clear it. How many chapters dash under the Criminal Rules of Practice? I think it is an easy question, but doesn't matter. Yes?
15 chapters.
WRONG. Srinivas sir.
18 chapters.
There is no 18 chapters.
Sir, B 14 chapters, sir.
B 14 chapters. Okay, next question. Other question I will keep the Zawadi. I would like to see whether Srinivas will win or Lavanya win. Okay. Now, how many times chapters word is mentioned in the entire act? Yes. Zawadi 50 rupees. If you give the answer. A 17, B 18, and C 19, D 20. I say how many times?
B 18.
Wrong. Srinivas, try yourself.
Sir, A 17, sir.
17 is the right answer. Actually, the first one will be given chance, but Srinivas, I thought you, because first time you gave the right answer, but I did not give. But you are entitled for the 15. 17 is the right answer. 17 times chapters is mentioned in the rules of criminal practice. So that is the last option which I gave that. So now today Lavanya won hat-trick 3 times and Srinivas won only 1 time, but he participated also less. If you participated, see, my intention of giving the Zawadi is not the 50 rupees. It is a question whether you are properly shooted or not. That is more important factor to me. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
My wife, hear my advice. You teach freely and you will also give Zawadi. I said, no, this is a question of motivation. I want to see whether my students, without knowing the answer, whether they can shoot it or not. The technique is more important. Even myself also cannot shoot the right answer among the 100 in the, is it 100 paper? 100 multiple choice questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even 100 I cannot make it out. At the most, I can say 80 I can correct it, but 20 I can shoot it. Out of 20, definitely I can score more than 12. I can shoot it a wrong, correct way, even though I don't know the answer. Out of 20, I can shoot at least 12 because I have the confidence. Because I tested my confidence several times. How much I can shoot it, which I did not know the answer. Because there are cues are there in the online. Even myself also I did not know.
First 5
Yes.
questions.
Yes, please.
Can you please scroll up for the first 5 questions?
Achha, 5 first questions. You are wrong. No? Yeah. Yeah, number 1, rule 1, short title. Which is the exact or the correct statement or title? A. I give the A, B, C, D. Now you can see. Now you can shoot also without reading.
B, sir. B.
Yes, you are right. It is the B is the right answer. Yes, and the second question. Where it is expedient to amend the consolidated and bring to the date the criminal rules of practice and orders 1966 in accordance with the new Code of the Criminal Procedure 1973 and incorporate therein the orders, notification and administrative instructions issued from time to time. Yes, answer is?
A. Article 227.
Wrong. You did not shoot well. Srinivas.
227A.
Yes, the second option is right answer. Now the third question, you read it and you can shoot it. Both of you. Anyone can.
In these rules, unless the contest otherwise requires the Constitution of India and dash of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and of all the powers here to enabling and with the previous approval of the government of TS, the High Court of TS hereby make the following rules and orders for the guidance of the criminal courts in the state. Option A 475, option B section 476, C 477, D 478. Section 477, 6B.
Srinivas.
C, sir.
Yes, C is the right answer. 477 is the right answer. Okay, fourth question.
8 forms.
Yes. Now the fifth question. Which is the mismatch?
Already covered, sir. 1 and 2.
Yeah. You, this is already. From here that you already covered.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and next my period is regarding the schedule. Where is the schedule? Yes, I put it the schedules here. Oh, yes. Yeah, it is here. So tomorrow is the 17th, and please read it, even though it is not there in your syllabus. In case, I am saying 17th Telangana Gaming Act, the same Andhra Gaming Act. I don't know whether you have the Andhra Gaming Act.
AP Gaming Act is there, sir.
This is nothing but AP Gaming Act. After the bifurcation, they made the Telangana. These people made the AP, and these people made the Telangana. But the same Gaming Act would be there. Yes, be ready from the 8:30 tomorrow. Then we will make it out. So with this, I would like to wind up today's class. And both you will get the same phone number. You have it. You will get the either Google Pay or the Phone Pay, any one of it. So with this, I would like to stop my today's Jai Hind.
Thank
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद।